Before I showed you how to make kefir the first time from the store-bought kefir, now I'll show you how you can make kefir from your own kefir. You guessed it. Buy more milk, put some of the kefir in the milk, the same as before. This kefir is the same as the kefir from the store. The only thing that's important is that you remember to make the kefir before you drink it. So as soon as your kefir is ready, one tip, as soon as you have the kefir ready, make the second batch, and make the second batch. So once you have one kefir ready or two, start with the second one before you start drinking it. I will show you how easy it is. It's basically the same idea. You put kefir into the milk to make more kefir, wait 2 days, the same thing. You will have the same result. Let's see. This is the fresh milk and it's full fat milk, 3%. It's cold as I got it from the supermarket. It's not room temperature. The milk doesn't need to be room temperature. This is the kefir. This is the kefir I made. Shake it well. I made this a few days ago. I made this now, recently. And before I start drinking this one, I will make the next ones for the next batch. So first, most important, make some space. Make some space for the kefir. You can drink this milk. Okay. Now we're ready for the serious business. This is the kefir I made and it's not from the supermarket anymore. I think it looks perfect. If it makes this thing on the walls of the glass, it's really good. So perfect. Okay. This is delicious. Okay, let's do it. Here is the fresh milk. That's the kefir. I just put some. That's all. Try not to spill it. And keep the lid, the second bottle. It's that easy. A bit loose. Don't forget to put the cap back on, also a bit loose. Put this back in the fridge. And these ones, you will let them sit for 2 days, 48 hours. Lids are loose. In 48 hours, there will be more kefir. This one goes in the fridge because it's ready. But these ones, you keep them in room temperature, around 20 degrees. The more hot it is, in the room, not 50 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I'm talking about Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius. The more warm it is, the faster you get. Keep this in around 20 degrees Celsius, but it's not really like a rule. It can be any temperature. You can put it even, there's noise outside. You can keep them in 19, 18 degrees. Keep these in around 20 degrees, plus minus 5 degrees, even more. I think you can keep them outside even in the winter, but not freezing for sure. Keep these in around 20 degrees Celsius or 25. If you keep them in 30 degrees Celsius, they will be ready in like 1 day and a half, maybe 1 day. The more hot it is in the room, the faster you get the kefir. But 20 degrees, it's a normal temperature range. And also, the more kefir you put, when you put the existing kefir, you will make more kefir in there. So we'll see the updates. This is the about 35 hours. It's ready. 1 day and a half. This is about 1 day and a half and it's ready. Wow. It's really much stronger. Actually, my kefir is much stronger than the store, from the supermarket. Okay, let's try it. Okay, this is ready 1 day and a half. So when you use reuse your own kefir, it's faster. Okay, so it's even better to use your own kefir. It makes it faster. If you want it extra soury, if you want it a bit more sour, I will leave it until tomorrow. And then put it in the fridge and enjoy it. And this is how you make more kefir from your own kefir. 2 days and you have more. It's really creamy. Thanks for watching and subscribe to watch more. And let me know which way you drink kefir. You drink it, you eat it in the cereal in the morning, or you make smoothies, and how you use it, which smoothies you make. Thanks for watching. Today I show you how you can make kefir once. I showed you before how you make kefir the first time. And this is how you make kefir from more kefir from your own kefir. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Thanks for watching and subscribe to watch more, to see more. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see more. And let me know. Thanks for watching. Also, if you want to thumbs up. Okay, should be okay.